Hello there, this is Rhonda Stephens-Auclair coming out to you today to kind of walk you through your Avon.com. Once you sign up for Avon, and when you're signing in for the very first time, you're actually going to come up to this screen. It's automatically populated for you. It's going to have awesome information for you, and I wanted to kind of walk you through it. First off, this is called Avon 2.0 or your Avon 2.0. You can download this on your phone as well. So there's actually an app for it in any of your app stores, or you can do it on the computer, which is what I'm doing here. From this homepage, you can get pretty much everything that you're going to need. If you're going to go to training, it's right here in the corner where Avon University Training is. You'll be able to click on that. It'll pop right up. You'll also have Avon Social. That's where you're going to do your social media posts. So let me click on those really quick and show you what they look like. So this is actually Avon University itself. You can see it pops up and there's a name here and there's the kind of badges that's been done. There's all kind of classes. They're going to pop up and teach you the most amazing things you're going to need for your business. The simple things. You're going to probably want to go through orientation first. Pardon me. And I apologize. I've already done orientation, so it's not necessarily coming up the way I want it to, but it will come up for you. So those are going to be the first things that you're actually going to do. Avon orientation. So let me get those to click. Here we go. And they'll actually kind of go through and show you, here's the ones that you want to do. Getting started with Avon University, kind of finding your way around. Once you go through, you're going to earn these badges that are over here. Now realize these things take 5, 10, 15 minutes, something like that. If you don't want to do Avon University, you can do Launching Strong, which I think is like an awesome thing to do because it teaches you how to launch your business very successfully. Oops, it's not popping up. That's actually a brand new one, and it's probably not popping up because I haven't taken it yet. So that's something I need to do as well. But there's a lot of things on here that you're going to be able to take, and it's going to help you in your business learn the steps that you're going to need. If you get stuck, there's a class for that, okay? So if you don't know how to place an order, there's a class for that. If you don't know how to do a return, there's a class for that. So many things are on here, and in 5 to 10 minutes, you can learn pretty much everything that you're going to need to do in the system, and that's really important for you to have. There's also a resource library here. If you click on your resource library, you're going to look at things like an opportunity meeting or new representative training. You're new, right? So you're going to go to English or the Spanish version. You can actually look at some of the neat things that you can use to build your business. So 5 ways to maximize your earnings. And these are little activities that you can do, like connecting with others or all different kind of fun things that you can have. So I want you to know that they're here for you to learn how to use. Now, going out of the Avon training or Avon University, let's go to Avon Social. Why am I going to there first? Well, I just want you to know what it is. So let's click on that and look at it. Once you open Avon Social, this is where all your social media posts will be going. Now, do you see this little L right here? This is your training class. So, oh my gosh, it's going to go to the Avon multi-brain training. There's tons of things here for you to learn. It's populating, so I apologize for it taking so long. Here we go. So this is your Avon Social training. This is all your social media marketing. This teaches you how to use your Facebook, right? What's the best way to ignite your business? You look all the different lessons, 10 lessons, 14 lessons. How to sell online, how to use Twitter. There's all kind of really neat things. Pinterest 101, it is coming. Do you see that? Not available, but we're getting there. Coming soon. So there's a lot of really neat things that Avon's giving you access to build your business that's free. And I say that because typically social media classes are pretty darn expensive. So I love that Avon has the opportunity for you to see them for free. Again, this is Avon Social. If you want to see the calendar, so I can give you kind of an example. These are some of the posts that we did on this particular account. And when you're starting to look at them, you're like, well, what is it about? Everything doesn't have to always be Avon. Because on Sunday, maybe, this particular one, they set out a recipe and gives you something fun to put out. You're going to learn through the course of doing this that there's a lot of different ways that you can use your social media. In fact, they actually have a planner here planned out for you. So all you would have to do is put them in your system. Or guess what? All your content is right here. If you know that you want to talk about skincare and sell a product because you really love it, then they're giving you things to be able to post. All you got to do is hit the word post, put your accounts in. They even give you copy information if you hit it. Simple copy stuff. Here's your product information. There's all kinds of stuff here, so play with it. This is where you're going to actually be able to make social media work for you. And within, usually 20 or 30 minutes every couple of weeks, you can set your posts up. So once you do it, all you have to do is kind of monitor your comments and that kind of thing, compared to you having to create the wheel. It's already done for you, so you don't really have to do that. And I love that option. It's an amazing option for you. Now, going back to Avon 2.0, here's the neat things that you need to know. It says My Account. You click down. You actually can see your balances here. For this particular account, there's an $85 balance on it that needs to be paid for the next account time, because that's just what there are. You can actually see, you can pay Avon here by doing Pay Avon. You can get paid by Avon. You actually want to make sure, without showing any information, you want to set up all your direct deposit stuff and your bank and all the things that you would actually need is all set up through here. You can actually put your credit card information in here and store it if you choose to. You don't have to. And of course, to go back home, just click on Avon 2.0. Now, to look through the things, as you can see, to get started here, this jump in, this is actually going to take you to Avon University. So as soon as you do that, it's going to say, Avon new representatives, what do you need to learn? Well, Avon Beauty Bosses, here's your first videos you need to do. Look at all these cool things to teach you the way to do these things. Putting in here's your starter kit, placing your order, sharing your online store. All the things you're like, now what? Well, here's what you do, and that you go through the training to do it. So there's nothing here that should be scary for you. I want you to play with it and enjoy it, because that's kind of what this experience is about. It's learning things that maybe you don't know yet, and it's all here for you. You just have to discover it. So if you want to know about your earnings, the earning charts are here, your earning summaries, everything that you're going to need is here. Here's current news from Avon. And honestly, if you scroll through, it teaches you about some of our top products or some of the things you may need to know, right? And then when you scroll down, these are some of your dashboard information. Now, sometimes you don't really get to customize them to begin with, but you will later. And this is your beauty buzz. So these are the current happenings in Avon. So they send you information typically in emails, but they also have it for here also, so you have all the cool current information. Plus there's email, there's videos, there's all kind of neat things to keep you in the loop. This is actually the Make a Difference pieces are talking about our breast cancer fundraising capabilities and all that things that we do in October. Actually, you can get started anytime, plus work on our other philanthropic information. You have a message center here for your messages. This actually will tell you your inventory alerts, and I love this tab. I think it's so important. It talks about what we're getting rid of. It talks about any products that maybe we're out of because it got stuck somewhere in a shipment or that kind of thing. And there are also brochure corrections, just in case maybe we made an error. It happens. They're human. So they're communicating these things through you here. So the more that you use Avon 2.0, the better off you're going to be. There's a full video library here of all kind of videos. You have deals and sales that come up every day. Things that are just for you. If there's sales incentives going on, things that you can earn and win, that information is going to be here. All your fundraising tools are here. Avon Advantage is a cool thing to talk about. I'm going to pop into it really quick. Avon Advantage is, if you're an Avon representative, you get special deals at all of these places. So they're giving you websites. You can get insurance benefits through here. You can get liability insurance for your business here. Town and Country is where you get your business cards and all your cool things that say Avon on it. That's where that comes from. T-shirts. Dell gives you a discount. You get a discount off your Sprint. So anyway, all of these things here. Capella University gives you a discount on classes. And they actually have a little scholarship for Avon representatives when they get started, and they get to take a free class typically. So the little things that you have here, it's another advantage for being an Avon representative, and I'm glad that you guys, have the opportunity to use those things. So anyway, these are the learning and cool development things. I want to make sure you know they're here. The learning and development calendar is also here. So what this does is tell you the things that Avon corporate is doing, when they are, and what's going on. So you can click those things. You can sign up for them, or you can put a reminder on your own calendar, that kind of thing. So Avon itself does amazing things to make you remember kind of what's going on. Now, really simple things at the top. Your web office, that's about your e-store. It's right here. So you click on My Office, and then Web Office, and then all the stuff for your Avon Social and your invoicing for customers and editing your e-store. All that stuff is under My Office. You can send emails and e-cards and do follow-ups. All the stuff is here. News, obviously, we talked a little bit about that. The Business Buzz and the Campaign Insider, quickie things. My Team is when you have leadership. You have people under you. This is how you'll get to this stuff. This talks, of course, about your earning, your fundraiser, all those kind of things. Managing your orders talks about your history, what you've ordered online and what customers have ordered from you online. It also helps you get to some of these quickie invoicing things as well. And order products. Now, order products is a good, obviously you're going to be placing your orders through here, but there's a lot of different ways to do it. This is just directly going to ordering the product and shopping it, kind of like you shop in an e-store, but you're really shopping for you. You know, you're ordering stuff. You can also enter item numbers here in this format by hitting enter item. You just tell what it is and add to an order. Or you can actually shop by brochures, and you can flip through the books. One of the cool things about this is we're in campaign 7 at the moment. So I can see every book, all the what's news, the outlets, everything is here. Even though we're not in 8 yet, I can actually see the 8 books. Really neat. And say a customer has a book maybe that's old from campaign 6. You can actually go to the book and look at it and look something up. So they give you a lot of different ways to look at your business. You can pass out brochures, which obviously we want you to do. They're there for you. Some people still like to flip through a magazine, and that's kind of why we're so popular. Some people want to shop their e-store. So you want to be able to send out e-store information. Every single thing that you need is in your Avon 2.0. So I hope that you take time to look at it. I know it seems overwhelming. It can seem like there's so much information for you to take in. Realistically, it's a tool for you. Avon Social is a tool that you would spend a ton of money for, because it helps you schedule Facebook posts and Pinterest posts and all those kind of things for you. It does that for you. All you have to do is set it up. Same thing with your invoicing is here. Your customers under My Office, they actually have your web office here, so you can enter every single one of your customers here. You have an address book. And through this address book, you can actually see what is your customers doing, right? Have they subscribed or unsubscribed? You can put your phone numbers in, any kind of thing you need. So it's something that the more you use it, the more you're going to use it. So this is your back office software. It's called Avon 2.0, and I hope you take time to watch it and take time to watch this video and to really explore what it has to offer you. All right. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for joining Avon. We look forward to working with you.